Good morning, Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2021 Ram TRX. Full front XPEL paint protection film, full back with a 2-year ceramic coating, fully paint corrected. And I gotta tell you, the paint from the factory on this car came in pretty nice, just a little bit of a one-step. Other than that, everything turned out just fantastic. Glass was a little water spotted from sitting on the lot and using the hard water they use. But let's take a look at this full front here. On this particular one, every one of these that we've done, somebody's had something different. So on this guy, what we did was we covered all the gloss paint. So when I say we covered all the gloss paint, everything is not covered on the and all the areas in here are all covered. So gloss is covered, matte is not. And that's what we did here. So all that got covered with PPF, paint protection film. All this got covered, the headlight lenses, the fenders, and the up top. Excuse me. So there it is, XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film with a fine lab ceramic coating over everything. And that's about it, my friends. ClearBraNorthDallas.com. If you need us, thank you very much.